Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub. In a world where bigger often tries to mean better, sometimes it takes something small, cheeky, and thoroughly nostalgic to remind us what pure two-wheeled fun really feels like. Welcome to Bike Culture Hub, where today we're diving into one of the most playful, adventurous, and personality-packed bikes of the year, the 2026 Honda Monkey Baja 125. A machine that doesn't just make you smile when you ride it, it makes everyone else smile when they see you coming. This is not just a motorcycle. This is Honda's love letter to the off-road rebels of the past, a tribute to the wild spirit of the 1980s mini bike era, now reborn with modern performance and old-school attitude. Buckle up, or rather, helmet up, as we take a deep, full-throttle look into the Honda Monkey Baja 125 and explore what makes it such a cult classic reimagined for the new generation. From the first glance, the 2026 Honda Monkey Baja 125 grabs your attention in a way few other bikes can. Its aesthetic is immediately charming yet undeniably rugged. There's something retro about it, because it is. The Baja 125 is a tribute to the original Monkey Baja of the 1980s, the off-road variant of the legendary Monkey, dressed in rally-style bodywork, twin high-mounted headlights, and all-terrain capability in a pint-sized frame. But this isn't just about looks. Honda has taken everything we loved about the original and brought it into the 21st century with finesse. Let's talk about those standout design features. The dual-round rally headlights at the front are unmistakable, they instantly scream retro Dakar spirit, but with modern LED tech behind the lens. The round headlamps are mounted high in true Baja fashion, giving this mini beast a serious trail-ready stance. The front fender is raised and aggressive, with long fork gaiters adding to that proper off-road aesthetic. And then there's the color scheme. Bold, contrasting graphics with vintage decals that make it feel like it rolled right out of a time machine, yet somehow still fits perfectly into today's riding culture. Whether you go for the classic rally red or the stealthy desert storm matte, it turns heads, sparks conversations, and ignites curiosity. But as always, it's what lies beneath the surface that really matters. The Monkey Baja 125 is powered by a fuel-injected 124 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine, which might not sound like much on paper, but that's missing the point. This isn't about outright power. It's about character, control, and unmatched approachability. Producing around 9.5 horsepower and 11 Nm of torque, the engine is tuned for low-end grunt and smooth delivery, making it incredibly beginner-friendly while still providing enough punch to have fun both on city streets and gravel trails. It's paired with a 5-speed gearbox that shifts with precision, offering more flexibility than its previous 4-speed iterations and giving you that extra gear when you're gunning it on an open dirt road. The frame is a reinforced steel backbone design, built for lightness and agility. The suspension has also been beefed up from the standard Monkey 125. At the front, you get beefy USD forks with longer travel, while the rear features twin shock absorbers with enhanced damping. The ride is plush for such a compact machine and surprisingly capable off-road. Whether you're tackling a bumpy trail, dirt hill, or urban pothole-ridden shortcuts, the Monkey Baja glides with a mischievous confidence. It rides on chunky 12-inch all-terrain tires with deep tread blocks, giving it the right grip and attitude for mixed surfaces. You'll be amazed at how this little bike can climb, descend, and corner on unpaved paths, yet still feel smooth and planted when you're commuting to your local cafe. It's like a mountain goat with a sense of humor, nimble, sure-footed, and just a little bit wild. The ergonomics of the Baja 125 are as endearing as its design. With a seat height of just around 775 mm, it's incredibly accessible for riders of all sizes. That low seat, combined with its wide handlebars and upright posture, gives you a commanding feel despite the bike's tiny footprint. It feels playful, agile, and stress-free. Parking it is a breeze. Taking tight turns in alleyways or dirt trails feels like second nature. And even though it weighs just around 107 kilograms, the Monkey Baja feels sturdy, never flimsy. Instrumentation is modern and minimal. The round digital display provides all the essentials: speed, fuel, gear indicator, and trip meter, packaged in a clean, easy-to-read format that nods to its retro roots without giving up function. Honda has even thrown in a USB-C charging port as a nod to modern riders who might want to charge their phone or GPS while on the go. When it comes to brakes, Honda has gone with a simple yet effective setup. Disc brakes at both ends with standard ABS, which is a welcome touch on such a small and lightweight motorcycle. Braking is sharp, progressive, and inspires confidence whether you're coming to a halt on asphalt or dirt. It's more than enough to manage the power and weight of this little rally champ. Fuel economy is another area where the Monkey Baja 125 shines. With a small 5.6-liter tank and frugal fuel consumption of approximately 65 to 70 km/L, this is a bike you can ride for days without thinking about fuel stops. It's the perfect mini adventure machine, ideal for weekend rides, trail runs, or just cruising around your neighborhood with a massive grin. Now let's talk about the price. The 2026 Honda Monkey Baja 125 comes in at around $4,399, depending on market and region. That might seem steep at first for a 125 cubic centimeters bike, but what you're paying for here isn't just performance, it's character, craftsmanship, and collectability. This is a bike that's as much about lifestyle as it is about transportation. It's a machine that brings back memories for older riders and creates new ones for the younger generation. Whether you're a vintage enthusiast, an off-road junkie, or someone who just wants a fun second bike that can do it all with a smile, the Monkey Baja 125 delivers in spades. And let's not forget the customization culture. Honda knows this bike has personality, and they've leaned into it hard. The aftermarket support is booming already, with endless options for racks, auxiliary lights, handguards, exhaust swaps, graphics kits, and more. You can transform the Monkey Baja into your own personal expression machine. Want it to look like a mini Paris-Dakar beast? Go for it. Want to make it a utility bike for camping or city runs? That works too. It's a blank canvas for creativity, wrapped in a factory package that's already bursting with style. One of the most impressive things about the Monkey Baja 125 is how it unites riders. Everywhere it goes, people stop and ask questions. Riders wave. Kids point. Veterans of the road smile with nostalgia. It's a rolling conversation starter, and a rare reminder that sometimes motorcycling isn't about speed, or tech specs, or size, it's about joy. Honda has truly nailed the formula here. They've taken the spirit of the old Baja Monkey, fused it with modern tech, and delivered a bike that feels timeless. It's rugged yet refined, tiny yet tough, cute yet capable. It's one of those rare machines that appeals to both your heart and your head. It may be small in stature, but it's big in soul. So who is the 2026 Honda Monkey Baja 125 really for? Honestly, everyone. It's a perfect learner bike for beginners. It's a great second or third bike for seasoned riders. It's a collector's dream for retro enthusiasts. And it's a practical, fun, affordable option for commuters who want something different. Thanks for riding with us today on Bike Culture Hub. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss more deep dive reviews, breakdowns, and all things two-wheeled. Let us know in the comments, would you take the Baja Monkey on a trail ride, a city run, or just keep it parked in your living room as a rolling piece of art? Until next time, ride safe, ride fun, and keep the spirit of the monkey alive. Peace out.